Now that we have all this set up, we're going to go to our app.view, and let's actually bring in our script tag, script setup, lang ts. And so Nuxt Auth gives us this handy useSession. For now, we're going to just actually manage the status, and we're going to use sign in as well as sign out. And so what I want to see here is, let's say, sign in, and we're actually going to do an async function called handle sign in, and this will await sign in. So now if we click, it'll sign in, and then we're actually going to do the same thing but for handle sign out. And this we're going to do if the user is logged in. And so how do we do that? We say log, we can do a computed property alongside the status value is equals to authenticated. And so actually, if I want to show you here, these are the options that the status might be. You might get authenticated or loading or unauthenticated. For our use case, I'm just going to say authenticated. And now we can do a conditional on here and say if the user's logged in, give us the ability to sign out. Otherwise, otherwise, if the user is not logged in, we're going to have sign in. So now let's look at our web app over here. And because we're logged in, it has a sign out button. And now let's log back in. We'll click sign in. It provides the sign in with GitHub. We can click that. And now here's our Nuxt Auth tutorial OAuth that we named here. And we're going to authorize it. And now it's going to redirect us back to our home page. And one way to verify that this is working is here in our console. We can check the application local storage. Actually, it looks like it might be a cookie. Yeah, sorry. So it's a cookie. It's one of these guys. So if I delete all of those and refresh, you're going to see sign in. Now let's sign in again. Look at all this cookie madness. And now, voila. Now we have our session token. And so we're logged in.